Impressive health benefits of having fenugreek leaves, methi leaves. 9 impressive health benefits of having fenugreek leaves. Number 1 benefit of fenugreek: low calorie. 1 cup of methi leaves gives only 13 calories, making it a good choice for those controlling their calorie. It will not only add bulk to your diet but also will make you feel fuller. You will feel satisfied, satiated for a long time, for a longer period, and refrain from eating extra calories. You can try making our low calorie fenugreek leaves recipes like methi, oats, roti, and sprouted moong dal methi chilla if you want to lose those extra kilos. Number 2 benefit: strong antioxidant. Being enriched with antioxidant like beta carotene and vitamin C, it helps to build body's immune system to fight against common illness. 1 cup methi gives 36.4% of RDA, recommended daily allowance for vitamin C, and 13.65% of RDA for vitamin A. Care should be taken while cooking as vitamin C is easily destroyed with heat. Avoid overcooking of vitamin C rich vegetables. Choose from our wide range of antioxidant rich recipes like carrot, methi, sabzi, and mixed vegetables in palak methi gravy that are rich in both beta carotene and vitamin. Third benefit: bone health, rich in vitamin K, which is good for bone. Bone metabolism is a continuous process where mature bone tissue is removed from the skeleton and replaced by new tissue. When injuries occur, bone like fracture or bruises, then vitamin K kicks in, heal the injury. Vitamin K prevents loss of bone density and preventing the onset of osteoporosis. 1 cup chopped fenugreek leaves gives 110 mg of calcium, which is 18.4% RDA, recommended daily allowance. That makes bone stay strong. The human body consistently removes small amounts of calcium from our bones, and that has to be taped up with calcium. Rich recipes like methi, pakoda curry, sprouts wrap. Number 4 benefits: controls diabetes. Fenugreek prevents rise in glucose levels after meals. Fenugreek leaves helps in improving glucose and insulin responses. The levels of cholesterol also reduce the intakes of fenugreek leaf. Glucose and insulin responses. Levels of cholesterol also reduce the intake of fenugreek leaves. Try making methi crispies, which are a great to have as a snack because they are low in calorie and also give only 12.7 grams of carb per serving. Number 5 benefit: good for digestive system. The insoluble fiber present in methi leaves reduces the risk of constipation and promote regular and healthy bowel movements. Methi is regarded highly beneficial in the treatment of flatulence and indigestion. Bengan methi is sabzi is a good option for lunch if you are suffering from constipation. Number 6 benefit: cures mouth ulcers. Fenugreek leaves can cure mouth ulcers. All you need to do is boil a cup of fenugreek leaves with 2 cups of water, strain and use the water to 7 stimulates breast milk production. According to Ayurveda, methi is rich in diosgenin, stimulates production of milk in lactating mothers and helps reduce children birth. Both the seeds and leaves work as excellent lactogogias to stimulate breast milk production. Fenugreek herbal tea is found to be effective in enhancement breast milk production. Number 8 benefit: good for health. Fenugreek also has known to improve heart health. Fenugreek leaves reduce the bad cholesterol LDL, which in turn can prevent heart related problems like atherosclerosis, stroke and heart attacks. Number 9 benefit: prevents anemia. Fenugreek leaves contain folate, which is important for rapid growth and multiplication of RBC and WBC. in the bone marrow. 1 cup of chopped fenugreek leaves gives 21.7 mcg of folate, which is 10.57% of recommended daily allowance RDA. It is good to have before and during pregnancy as the requirements increase. 1 cup of chopped fenugreek leaves gives 7.57 of RDA of iron. A very good food or blood formation for adolescent girls, pregnant mothers. Iron is an important component of hemoglobin, the substance in red blood cells that carries oxygen from lungs to all parts of the body. So if you are iron deficient, then you must consume fenugreek recipes like nachni, methi, chia and cauliflower, greens, methi. Eat healthy and stay healthy. Benefits of fenugreek. 5 benefits of fenugreek leaves. Number 1, increase breast milk production. Number 2, induce and ease childbirth. Number 3, reduce cholesterol. Number 4, control diabetes. Number 5, digestion. Healthy, stay healthy. Fenugreek leaves, methi leaves or fenugreek leaves are tender green leaves that grow on the fenugreek plant. The leaves have unique flavor profile with a slightly bitter taste and a distinct aroma that sets them apart from other herbs. Fenugreek leaves. Number 1, benefit helps in weight loss. These leaves are relatively low in calorie and helps to boost metabolism. Number 2, benefit is strong and healthy bones. They are a good source of calcium and magnesium, an essential mineral for bone health. Number 3, fight infections. They have antibacterial characteristics and can be used to fight infection like bacteria and fungi. Number 4, benefit herbal soothes for headaches. The natural pain relieving properties of methi alleviate headache discomfort. Number 5, boost immunity. Contain potent minerals like iron, zinc and selenium. Contain potent minerals like iron, zinc and selenium required for healthy immune system. Number 6, optimal oral health. Fantastic source of nutrients like calcium and vitamin C, essential for maintaining strong teeth and gums. Number 7, remove inflammation. Fenugreek leaves offer several properties that make them beneficial for addressing inflammation. Delight, good dietary fiber, which aids in promoting regular movements and preventing constipation. Unleashing the culinary magic of methi leaves. Use methi leaves to prepare healthy and delicious snacks. If you don't have fresh fenugreek leaves, use kasturi methi. Number 3, add chopped fenugreek leaves to enhance the flavors of your dal, or enjoy methi thepla as a breakfast recipe with curd or butter. Eat healthy, stay healthy. Fenugreek nutritional information. Green fenugreek leaves. Number 1, 13 calories, 1.23 grams of protein, 1.68 grams of carbs, 0.25 grams of fat. Recommended daily allowance. Vitamin K 119.84 mcg, 99.86% of RDA. Vitamin C 14.56 mg, 36.4% of RDA. Calcium 10.6 mg, 13.65% of RDA. Vitamin A 655 mcg, 13.65% of RDA. Folic 21.7 mcg, 10.53 of RDA. Iron 1.59 mg, 7.57% of RDA. Vitamin B2 riboflavin 0.8 mg, 7.27% of RDA. Magnesium 17.82 mg, 5.9% of RDA. Vitamin B6 pyridoxine 0.10 mg, 5% of RDA. Phosphorus for 14.28 2.38% of RDA. Vitamin B3 niacin 0.22 mg, 1.83% of RDA. Sodium 21.30 mg, 1.11% of RDA. Stay connected with nature and eat healthy natural things. Eat healthy, stay healthy. Thanks for watching.